Guys, so this is crazy that I'm using multiple Integravity account with a proxy rotations. So that's mean I have multiple Gemini Pro account, and with that I'm actually using the cloud models or even like the Gemini models. So it's limitless. I mean, how many accounts I have per account? I can just connect it and then it's boom. And it's without any interrupting, without any blocking. It's working. I'm actually using it, and I'm really becoming love of this method. I'm just quickly showing you how it actually works. This is the cloud code, right? Even the terminal also works. And if I go to model, switch model, you can see Gemini Pro Agent, Cloud Sonnet on Opus. So I have, if I go back in here, I'm showing you this is the Integravity proxy dashboard. So in this dashboard, you can see I have total 6 accounts linked. And if I go to accounts, you can see it's my all of my Gmail. Please, guys, don't try to hack all of this account. Okay. So then I have the models. It's all I can just cloud. You can see I have this is the 0%, this is 0%, 6%, 3%, but these are the fully right now. I mean fully charged. So this is the way actually we can add multiple accounts here. It's multiple. You can see in here it's showing 10, but if I go to settings, I can add more as I want. But I think the it's not needed like a lot of account, but you can see maximum account I'm just in here of the slider, but I can add more accounts. So you can say now that Gemini AI Pro it's a $20 per month, but it's not. It's a have a technique that you can get 18 months for free account. I mean total like say free. You can see this is a Flora products bot. I mean, a lot of third party we have. I bought from this where, but this is also great. You can see right now it stocks 149 account and per account $1.25 only. So just buy 10 accounts and add on the proxy. I mean, just go to accounts, add the account, and then boom, it will automatically rotate. You don't have to log out and log in back to the Integravity. And once you did that, then you have to just a simple settings method you have to do. Maybe in here I have, let me search, this is the cloud settings. You can see this is my base URL, this is the model, this is the all models. So actually, the implementations of fully details, it will take times, but I totally show you how it actually works. However, I will put in my description the link below of this Antigravity proxy. This is the open source. You can just easily follow the instruction and install it. And this is something in the cloud settings.json. You have to just put this informations to make it working. Also, some settings you have to do from here, and it's very basics. Let me know if you need in details. But yeah, this is the method. Please, guys, if you like this video, feel free to comment. I would love to make more videos like this if you appreciate me.